Today I'm at Pukeatua Scenic Reserve. Gonna do the Pukeatua track and then head up to Kapakapanui hut. 1 degree right now, frost on the ground. Looking back on the Pukeatua track, beautiful day. Now looking towards where I'm going, to that point in the distance there, right in the center, 9:30 in the morning. Gotta keep going. This is where I leave the Pukeatua track. Not expecting any more orange markers now. Just taking a right turn into the wilderness in the unknown. Hopefully ending up at Kapakapanui. Okay, just about to meet up with the Kapakapanui track. What a trip. Navigation skills required. Recommend a compass. Without a compass I would have taken twice as long. You really need to know where you're going, otherwise you're going to end up off track. Here we go. Joining up with the Kapakapanui track. Okay, it's 12:40. I'm going to turn right here. Back down to the Kapakapanui hut. Have some lunch. Enjoy this beautiful place. I'm going to go to the hut. I'm not going to go down there. That's quite a drop to the hut. So here I am. I'm going to have lunch on the side here. As you can see, I've got great views of Kapiti Island. Yeah, so time's running out. Got to have lunch and get back before it gets dark. It's been a long journey just to get here. That'll be me. Lunchtime now. Beautiful spot. This is me leaving the Kapakapanui track, turning left, back to the Pukeatua track. It's now 1:30, so I'll make a good pace to get back before it gets dark. As you can see, this is an amazing environment. Doing. You don't want to get lost here. As you can see, it's not much of a track. It's very cold, very rough. It's pretty easy to hurt yourself, roll an ankle. The track's quite well marked at the start at this end of the track. That soon changes, and you really need to know what you're doing. You can see there's some blue markers at this end as well, yellow markers, but that also changes and they get further and further apart. But you cannot count on those markers. Slightly easier when you're going back. We've just come this way. The ridge is pretty well defined through this section, hence it's easy to follow your way. That's going to change shortly. Okay, hey, as you can see, you can't really see a track. At this point, just follow your compass, keep walking. Bound to find the track again. I know I'm heading in the right direction. Now it's just a constant game of finding some track, losing some track. I know I'm on the track now. I just saw a marker. That could all change pretty quickly. Like this. Okay, back on track. Got a bit lost there for a bit. Thankfully I noticed, got back on the track again. Not easy stuff this. The ridgeline's very defined here again. Back there not so much. I do have a Garmin GPS watch, so I can check that I'm coming back on the way that I came in. So if I do get lost, I can see where I need to return back. I know we'll always be able to get back to the car, which is a bit of comfort. Okay, it's 2:24 in the afternoon. Just having a wee drink break. You can see there's not much of a track. Oh, that's where I came from. That's where I'm going. It's 5 minutes to 3. Back on the Pukeatua track. It's been a long day. All downhill back to the car park. Hopefully I can get to the car before the sun sets. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Just left the bush line. 1 hour till sunset. Sun's slowly setting now behind the hills. I hope you like this video. It's been a good day. There should be more videos to come around here, Kapiti Coast. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like. One stream crossing on this trip. Hopefully I can keep my feet dry.